Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need eligibility confirmed, so check your subscriber and watch thresholds now. This matters because YouTube only proceeds when those metrics match. Once done, enable two-step verification and verify your phone to protect payments. Next, open YouTube Studio and navigate to Monetization. You'll see the prompt to link AdSense. Click Apply, choose your existing or new AdSense account, and provide the required tax and payment info. Doing this first saves rework later. Once you've started the AdSense flow, pick an account or create one. This links revenue to you. You must accurately fill the payment profile, including your full legal name and bank details, because mismatches delay payouts. Make sure names match your bank records exactly. Complete tax forms as required for your country and upload ID if asked. After saving, check confirmation emails and return to YouTube Studio to confirm the AdSense link status before moving forward. Finalize the process by monitoring the Monetization tab and your email for approval. Reviewers check your channel policies and AdSense link, so be patient. If you're approved, enable ad settings and review content suitability to maximize revenue. If you're rejected, don't panic. Read the rejection reason, correct the specific issue, often name, address, tax, or ID mismatches, and reapply. One key troubleshooting tip: ensure your bank name matches your payment profile exactly. That single fix resolves most payout holds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.